In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take partial profits in active trades with Metatrader. Taking partial profits lets you lock in gains while keeping a smaller position running, which can reduce risk and smooth out your results. We'll do this in Metatrader 5, and I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you feel confident doing it on your own. Start by launching Metatrader 5 and making sure you're logged into the correct account, whether it's a demo for practice or your live account. Next, select the chart for the instrument you're trading so you can see price action in real time. This isn't strictly required to close part of a trade, but it helps you confirm market conditions before you act. Now open the trading panel. On Windows, press Ctrl+T to bring up the terminal window at the bottom of the platform. If the shortcut doesn't work on your setup, you can open the same panel from the platform's menus. The goal is to display your open positions. In that panel, click the Trade tab. This view shows your open positions along with symbol, volume, price, profit, and other key details. Take a moment here to verify you're looking at the exact position you want to reduce. Find the active trade you want to take profits on, right-click it, and choose Close Position. This opens the order window for that trade. Here's the crucial part for partials. In the volume field, enter the portion you want to close. For example, if your position size is 120 or a lot and you want to take half off, type 0.50. Make sure the volume you enter matches your broker's minimum size and step. Some instruments use 0.01 steps, others may differ. When you're certain the volume and symbol are correct, click the Close button to execute. After you confirm, Metatrader instantly books profit on the close portion and leaves the remainder of the position open at the same ticket with its current stop loss and take profit if you've set them. You'll see the position's volume reduced in the Trade tab, and your balance and equity updated to reflect the realized profit and any commission. A few quick tips to keep you safe and efficient. Double check the instrument and direction before closing. Confirm the partial volume one last time to avoid closing the entire position. And be aware of spreads and fast markets, which can cause slight fills away from the current price. If your account uses netting or hedging, the partial close workflow is the same. You're simply reducing the position size on that symbol. That's it. Practice this on a demo first, and once you're comfortable, use it on live trades to systematically lock in gains while letting winners run.